Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, August the 23rd, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cypher Block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all, too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, this afternoon I've already solved 3 regular puzzles. Alright. This one, 9142. 9142. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, publisher, still more digits than usual. Because the 3 stars usually has 25 printed digits. This one has 28, 3 digits more. Should be a 0 stars puzzle. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars for a 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Alright, let me see. Which number can I pick? How about a 9 in this row? 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the last row, 9 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, middle row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 in the middle column, no 9 there, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see digit number 1, number 9. Okay, and now let me see. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6, 6, 6. Well, there's 6 here and the 6 there. Cannot continue with the 6. Let me see. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in that row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Now I can continue with the 6, I believe. Well, okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the second column, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between the middle row. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, first row, no 6 there. 6 in the third row, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. 8, 8. 7 in this row. 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. Okay. Interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 in these two boxes. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4, 4. Alright. And now. Now. 1, 1. But the 5. No 5. Oh, no. 5, 5, 5. Okay. Need an 8 here. 2. But 4. 2, 4, 3. I'm thinking. 1, 1. Come on. This is taking too long. 8 and a 2. And a 2 here. 8. Give me an 8. 8. Yeah. Come on. 8, 3, and I'm stuck. 1, 2, 3. Think. 8, 7, 8, 5, 3, and a 1. 1. Yeah. 7 here. 7 there. Yeah, need a 7 here. I need a 7 here. No 7. Need a 7 there. Well, in this row, we need a 7. The last row. Here give me 7, we have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. Here give me 7, we have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. And here give me 7, we have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Here or there. Well, let me mark those. Well, in this big square, we need a 7. Well, we have a 7 in the first row, so no 7 in these two boxes. The 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. That means we have a 7 in one of those two boxes in this column. So this box can be 7 or more. That box should be a 7. Okay. And now... 8. Well. 9, 6, 4, 1. Can be a 3. Could be a 3. 2. Need a 2 there. Yeah. Well, in this big square, we need a 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in this box. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in that box. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those two boxes in this row, 2 in the row below, so last row. Only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 in that 2 should be there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. And look, we have 1 and 4 in this column. No 1 and 4 in this box. 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the last row for number 5. Okay. Alright. So need a 5 there, no 5 here, need a 5, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these two boxes. The 5 could be here, could be there. Need a 3, need a 8. Okay. 2, 8, 3. Alright, 5, 5. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 5. We have 5 in this column, no 5 in these two boxes. Here 5 in the last row, no 5 in that box, so 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5, 5, okay. Need a 5 here. And I need an 8 here. 1, 4, and need a 7. We need a 7 in this big square. Well, here can be 7. We have 7 in the last row. No 7. There's a 7. Could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those two boxes in this column. 7 in the column next, so last column. The only two places left with 7. Could be here, could be there. And we are missing here one number. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Mark those two boxes only with a 7. We have a 7 in this row, so this can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. I need a 7 here, okay. 4. Need a 4 here or there. Well. Yeah. And the 5 here. How about these two missing numbers in this column? The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now. In this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and 5. How about these two missing numbers? 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is no 7. 8 is missing. 1 and the 8. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. Well. How about here? 1, 2, 3, and the 4 are missing. 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. Well. Okay. 2, 2. 2, 2. 2, 3, 4. 6, 6, 6. 2, 2, 2. 1. You know, 1 here. 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. Come on. This is taking too long. Need an 8 here or there. Need an 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers an 8. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 in these two boxes. We have an 8 in the third row. No 8 in those two boxes. So 1 box left with 8 in this big square. Should be there. So if we eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there then. The 1 in the last column, the 1 in the column next on that column. The only two places left for the 1 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. 1 or 4, we have a 1 now, so this box should be a 4. 1 or 4, we have a 4 now, so this box should be a 1. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so in the third column, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then Come on. 2 numbers left in the third row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and a 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column 3. Now only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there we have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. So these 2 boxes are left in this big square for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. 1 box left in the middle row. We have a 3 now, so this box should be a 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there we have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. 1 box left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and the 6. 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. The 6 in the last row, the 6 in the row above from that row. The only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 in the second column, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left now in the second column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing here. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 and a 5, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, not faster than 14, 13 minutes. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. Cannot be a 3 stars. Alright, thank you for watching. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.